Hello students, this is the second video where we are discussing the different ways of trend spotting, and we have already finished with the first one, that was read trends. I said remember the four alphabets R, T, W, T. So we have already done the R part and we are now concentrating on the next one, which is talk trends. This is a continuation. So talk trends means talk to people, okay, not just a chit chat but talking with a purpose. Why are we talking? Because we want to collect information on what they want, and I need to collect that information because I need to provide them that. So interact with your customers, interact with the general public, attend meetings, seminars, events, so that you can collect as much as information as you can. Now see, this feedback thing is very important. I'll just give you a small example, not related to entrepreneurship, related to teaching and all. Since I'm a teacher and in my class I usually teach, when I teach I explain and I also give them supporting notes so that they can refer to the notes also, and I explain them in class everything that is there in the book and some extra things also. That is how they are used to. But now because of this lockdown, that classroom teaching is not happening. So what am I doing is I'm sending them my lectures through videos and asking them to just go through it. Now they only came with a feedback. They only told me, and I really like that idea. My students only suggested, ma'am, that instead of just giving the videos, would it be possible for you to give some notes also, so that when we are watching the video we can also refer to the notes, or we can read the notes and then watch the video, so that it becomes easier for us to memorize. Because when we are only watching the videos, when we are watching it's fine, but then after some point of time we are forgetting some of the points. So can we have something in writing also? Wonderful idea. So now my students has a PDF format notes and this video also. So feedback is very important. It will help you to satisfy the people whom you are serving. So this I said from the point of view of a teacher and student, but this is also applicable from the point of view of an entrepreneur and his customers. Entrepreneur needs to understand the needs and demands of the customers, for which it is good for him to talk and interact so that he can get all the necessary information. Okay, the next point that we will do is watch trend. So simply by observing also you can get a lot of information. You don't need to read, you don't need to talk, just silently sit and watch. Be a keen watcher. Again, I'll continue with this in the next video.